Hi guys! Today let's learn how to increase stitches. When you see the word increase in a pattern, it means to work 2 stitches into the same stitch from the previous row or round. Now we will go over the steps to make a single crochet increase, a half double crochet increase, and double crochet increase. Let's suppose you are working on a sample piece or chain. To make a single crochet increase stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. You have 1 single crochet made. Insert your hook into the same stitch again. Repeat the above steps, so 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Let's do that a few more times. This adds 1 extra stitch to your total count. The way we crochet 2 stitches in the same stitch creates a V shape that you can clearly see in the symbol pattern. Now let's move to the half double crochet increase stitch. So start with a yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, 1 half double crochet made, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch. Repeat the same steps so that there are 2 half double crochet in 1 stitch. The letter V is now a bit taller with half double crochet stitch. Next one is the double crochet increase. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2 loops remain. Yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet made. Yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch and repeat another double crochet. The increase rule is the same for treble crochet, taller stitches, or any other complex stitches. So that's how to crochet increase stitches. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner crochet tips. I'll be back for more free crochet tutorials. See ya!